Take a look at this beautiful 1962 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Coupe. So obviously the holidays, two-door hardtop. This car is powered by what it would have came from originally, 394. The V8 underneath the hood. That's paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. This particular car was originally provincial white also, so still retains the original color, although you can tell it has had a repaint. Paint's in nice shape, has a nice luster to it, not full of chips, nicks, scratches. You see up on the front of the hood here, no rock chips. Get an idea quality of the paint job on this car. Also still retains the red or burgundy interior, which it would have originally had from Oldsmobile. Riding on some polished aluminum wheels, thin white walls. See how straight this car is up and down it too. Spent the majority of its life in South Dakota, and it shows. This car seems to be extremely solid. You can take a look at the underside pics, engine bay, trunk, and check it out closer. See how solid this is. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Something you're also going to notice is if I come up right here, you get a color or get an idea of the color of the interior. That is the true color. It's kind of that reddish burgundy. In some of the pictures, this color is tough to get pictured, and it will wash out. If you've seen my videos before, you know what I'm talking about. So right there's pretty true idea of what the color is of this interior. If I move around a little bit, you're going to see it kind of goes to a brownish. That's completely washed out to what it really is. Come back here so you can get that burgundy right there. That's the true color of the interior. Feel free to give us a call too if you have any questions on this car, or maybe the transportation to where you're located at you'd like to know about. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Come around to the back. You can see how nice the chrome and the bright work is on this vehicle. I consider it a nice driver quality car, maybe a little bit above that even, because again you can see how straight it is. Those still pictures, you want to check out the underside, see how solid the pans and everything are. uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll slip in here and start this up for you too so you can get an idea how it sounds. Also take a look at the interior, so I'll kind of get that color again. It's going to wash out when I open the door here. There's pretty true idea what the color is. You can see the vinyl cloth all in nice shape. Still retains the original dash, original door cards. Nothing's really been modified or changed there. Let's go ahead and start this up. Really smooth running car. Odometer reads approximately, fan works. We'll turn that off a second. Odometer reads a little over 68,000, 68,596. That is believed to be original miles on this car. Unfortunately, miles don't stay on the title once they're sold. I don't have documentation, but judging by a lot of things on this car in the underside engine bay, wouldn't surprise me if that is correct. Headliner, everything in good shape. See how nice that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back. No crazy rumbles. Not a loud exhaust by any means. Just a nice sounding V8 underneath the hood. Pretty much stock engine bay, trunk and everything. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop that hood so you can at least get an idea of what the engine bay looks like. Alright, here you go. Pop the hood. There's that 394. I mean, listen to this thing. How smooth that is. As you can see, pretty much stock engine bay. This is kind of what reflects that miles to me. It hasn't redone or anything underneath here, so I mean it's, again, pretty much all stock the way it would have come. Incredibly smooth running engine. So there you have it, 1962 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or, of course, check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.